Now let's continue with other important component: destination. Destination can be whole country, a region, a municipality, city or village, an attraction. Basically, an entity that is big enough to be interesting to visitors, has multiple points, and usually at least one tour. Destination has one cover photo that should be visually attractive, depicting usually an iconic landmark for the destination. The goal is for travelers to find the destination easily in the app and be attracted to open. Keep in mind that visitors will usually see only a very small photo, so don't use aerial photos of the entire destination that look good on a desktop, but not on a thumbnail. The technical specifications are similar to POI photos. Destination introduction is a short hook introducing what makes the destination special and motivating the visitor to explore it. Don't use welcome to X. Instead, tell visitors in 1 or 2 paragraphs what makes the destination unique. Besides the See and Do tab, which is automatically generated from the POIs included in the destination and the destination introduction, a destination can have more customized information tabs to add interesting or practical information about the destination. These can include fixed information, such as history, fun facts, or getting around. It is HTML supporting basic functions, such as italics, bold, underline, hyperlinks, paragraph and line breaks. Alternatively, SmartGuide can display an existing web page inside these info tabs, such as a calendar of events from your website.